express Tn in terms of the harmonic number Hn, which is saying that sigma, it's summation of t equal to 1 to n 1 by I. N is greater than equal to 1. N is greater than equal to 1. It's like Hn is 1 by, it should be t. Okay, it should be I. Should be I. 1 by 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 5, then 1 by 6. Like this, it will keep on going till it will be 1 by n. Okay, so this is harmonic equation. You know that that is approximate to log n. Okay, that is approximate to log n. So they have given you that Hn is going to this, where Tn satisfy the recurrence, where Tn satisfy the recurrence relation this. Okay, where n is greater than equal to some, it should be 1. So there is some typing mistake. It should be greater than equal to 1. Okay, it should be greater than equal to 1, and T1 is equal to 1. T of 1 is going to be 1. Now they are asking what is the asymptotic behavior of Tn. Okay, so now I will solve this. Okay, so Tn is this. Tn is this. Tn is this. Okay, now see. So they have given Tn is equal to n plus 1 by n t n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So how they are writing? It is first Tn they are writing as increasing by 1. Then same thing they are writing here. Then here decreasing Tn minus 1 plus 1. So if I will ask you Tn minus 1, then it will be n minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So whatever term is here, it will add plus 1, and same thing will write here. It will be n minus 1, and then it will go to decrease by 1. It will go there n minus 2 plus 1. So it will be n by n minus 1 Tn minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Similarly, if I'll ask you Tn minus 2, Tn minus 2 will be n minus 1. Why? Because n minus 2 plus 1, you are going to get n minus 1. Then in the below, you are going to get same n minus 2, then Tn minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Similarly, Tn minus 3, if I'll ask you, so it will be n minus 2, because plus 1 you are going to do, so it will be n minus 2, then n minus 3, then here Tn minus 4 plus 1. So if you're done with the writing, then you can let me know. Now we'll go to the next one. So this way, the function, the Tn, the recurrence relation is decreasing. Okay. Now we will go to the equation. So this is some little bit difficult one. Okay. It is not that much easy. See. So Tn you got as n plus 1. What you got? N plus 1 as n. Then Tn minus 1 plus 1. Now in place of Tn minus 1, you substitute what you got. Tn minus 1 you got as this n by n plus 1. So you use your notebook. I am also going to see from my notebook n into n minus 1. Then it is going to Tn minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Now do the multiplication. Then you are going to get n and n is going to cancel. You are going to get n plus 1, and in denominator n minus 1, because n and n is going to be cancelled. Then you are going to get Tn minus 2 plus this, you are going to multiply with 1, you are going to get n plus 1, then n. Then similarly, in place of Tn minus 2, in place of Tn minus 2, you are going to substitute what you got. So you got here, see, you got here n minus 1 by n minus 2 Tn minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so write n minus 1 by n minus 2. Now in place of Tn minus that, it is Tn minus 3 plus 1, and this thing you will write as it is n plus 1 by n. Now if you expand that, you are seeing that same, the thing which in denominator, it is also in the numerator. You are going to get cancel it out. You are going to get n plus 1, and in below n minus 2, then Tn minus 3, then plus n plus 1 my divide by n minus 1, and plus n plus 1 by n. Okay, if you're done with the writing, then you can let me know. So in place of tn minus 3, I will substitute what we have got. If you're done with the writing, then you can let me know. I will go to the next slide. Now see, in place of tn minus 3, you are going to write. So you got as what you got, n plus 1 by n plus n minus 2. Then you got tn minus 3. So in place of tn minus 3, you substitute the value. It will be n minus 2 by n minus 3, then tn minus 4 plus 1. Okay, that you got. Then it is having n plus 1 by n plus 1 by n minus 1, n minus 1 plus n plus 1 by n plus 1 by. Okay, now expand that. Here again, see, always we are saying that the thing which is in the denominator, which is also in the numerator, so that thing will get cancelled out. So you are going to get n plus 1 by n minus 3, and then t n minus 4. Then same thing will be here. It will be n plus 1 by n minus 2, then plus this thing n plus 1 by n minus 1 plus n plus 1 by n. Okay, understood? So what you are saying here, always in the numerator you are getting n plus 1, always in the numerator you are getting n plus 1, and here whatever thing you are getting here, it's like n minus 3, then 1 less, means 3. Here is 3. If I will assume it's k, then it will be k plus 1, and it will be k minus 2, k minus 2. No, it will be k minus 1, because if I'll assume it as k, then it will be k minus 1. Okay, so what I will do now, I will assume this as k minus 1. Okay, see, this way it is going now, this way it is going, so I am assuming n plus 1, n minus, if I assume t equal to n minus k, I am assuming this as n minus k. Okay, I am assuming this as k. If it is 4, then here it's minus 1. Okay, so it will be, see, always like this it is growing. See, n minus 2, then tn minus 3. If it is k, then 1 less than, then here 2 less. Okay, so it will be k minus 1 in the denominator. Okay, now plus n plus 1, then n minus k minus 2, because it's 4 then 2. See, here, if it is 2, then 0, divide, because you are going to do minus by 2, then here n plus 1, n minus k minus, now it's decreasing by 1. Okay, it was 2, so k minus 2, then again decrease by 1. Okay, so it will be k minus, tell me, 3, then k minus 4, n plus 1 by n minus k minus 4. Keep on, it will keep on going like this. So you are going to get, first let me know whether it is clear or not. I think that plus 1 I have left somewhere. Yeah, this plus 1 I left somewhere. This I missed out. In place of tn minus 1, I have substituted that. Plus 1 I left. Plus 1 I left. No one has even told me that, sir, plus 1 you missed. See, in place of tn minus 1, I have substituted that, and plus 1 was there, na? That I left. Okay, just miss that. So everywhere plus 1 also I need to write. Then it will go like t plus n plus 1 by n minus 1 plus n plus 1 by n plus 1. Clear? Fine. Now see, I will assume I need to make as 1, because our equation is saying that, when t of 1 is equal to 1, so I have to make this as 1, this as 1. Okay, so now I will make n minus k equal to 1. So what I can substitute in place of k, that it will become 1. See, now I have to make this equation as 1. To make this equation as 1, I have to equate this n minus k equal to 1. Now let having space. I'm writing again. So we got, I'm writing again because there I was not having space. Okay, so we got n plus 1, n plus 1, n minus k. I'm expanding that. Okay, it was having n minus, it was having n minus k minus 1. Okay, tn minus k. Then it was having n plus 1 by n minus k minus 2. Then it was having n plus 1, n minus k minus 3. It was going like this till n plus 1 by n minus 1 plus n plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now take out this equation. It will be n plus 1, n minus k plus 1. So this will be minus, then this will be plus, then write it as a tn minus k. Now from this equation, from all this, see, you are getting always in the numerator, n plus 1. So take n plus 1 as common, n plus 1 is common. So you are going to get 1 by n minus k minus 2, then 1 by n minus k minus 3, then 1 by n minus 1. I think I have written two times. It is n minus 2, then n minus 1. So n minus 2, you will get like this. So I am writing, since I am not having space, plus 1 is, it is n minus 1. Okay, let me erase that. Similarly, it will keep on going like this, plus 1 by n minus 1. Understood? If anyone having doubt, you can ask me. Until that, is it clear? Plus 1 will be outside. Why? Because it is not having anything as common. Is it clear? Now let, yeah. Now let n minus k is equal to 1, because we have to make as 1, then k is going to your n minus k. Sorry, n minus 1. N, then here minus, here k will go in that side. So k is going to your n minus 1. K is going to your n minus 1. So in place of k, just substitute n minus 1. Okay. So I'm going and writing. So I'm going to the next slide. Okay. So it is n plus 1. This is the really a good question. One of the difficult question. N minus. So in place of k, what we got? N minus n minus 1. Okay. So in place of k, you should write n minus 1. Then it is having plus 1. Okay. Wherever you see, it was having n minus 1. Okay. So n minus 1 I have written. Then plus n plus 1. Now see, here I am writing. So this thing I will write in the beginning. Okay. 1 plus n minus 1. Similarly, it will go 1 plus n minus 2. Similarly, it will 1 by, what is there? N minus k. K is your n minus 1. N minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Then plus 1. So it will be n plus 1. Then n minus n. Then plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Then you are going to get here n minus n plus 1. Okay. Then plus n plus 1. Then 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n minus 2. 1 by n minus 3. Like this it will go till 1 by n minus n plus 3, because minus and minus is going to be minus 3. Then if you do multiplication with minus, you are going to get plus, then plus 1. You are going to get here n plus 1 is cancel out by 2. And this cancel out, you will get 1. T of 1, we got n plus 1, then 1 by n minus 1, then 1 plus n minus 2, then 1 by n minus 3 plus 1 by 3. So till it will go till, because n and n going to cancel, it will go till 1 by 3. It will go 1 by 3. Okay. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt till now? Now after that you can do. Now after that it become easy. Okay. After that now it become easy. If you're done with the writing, you can let me know. You have to substitute with 1. So you are going to get n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. Then here it was having n plus 1, n plus 1. Now see, it is having, now this thing I am writing in the beginning. Okay. So this thing 1 by n minus 1, 1 by n minus 3, 1 by n minus 3 plus 1 by 3. And you know that what Hn is going to be? What Hn? Hn they have given already, that Hn is going to be 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, like this, plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, like this it will go. So here in place of Hn, only 1 by 2 and 1 is not there. Only one, this thing is not there in this equation. That's why they have defined in your question that Hn is this. In place of this, you can write the 1 by 2 plus 1 is only not there. If 1 by 2 and if 1 I will write, then it will become to Hn. It will become to Hn. Hn they have given in the question, that is 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like this. Okay. So what we will do, just a minute, because 1 by n should also be there now, where I think that in the writing I did some mistake. Yeah, few people are not saying that there is some typing mistake I did while copying the previous one here, because 1 by n should also be there now. 1 by n should also be there. 1 by n should also be there. There it was. See, in place of that, it went like this, n plus 1 by n, that I hadn't written n plus 1 by n, n plus 1 by n. So while doing the copying, I just missed that one, n plus 1 by n is n plus 1 till n plus 1 by n minus 1 I have written, but n plus 1 by n I have not written. So that's why, because I am not able to now substitute with the formula, because the hn should go till n. Okay, the, see, this is the equation. So I should also write n plus 1 by n, but that I hadn't written here. See here, n plus 1 by n minus 1, but n plus 1 by n I just missed. Okay, so since here we are, this is the common mistake that used to happen in exam. Okay, there you should not get that mistake. Here we are getting like this because I am just copying from the previous slide now. That's why it's happened. What happened? It is not erasing. Okay, let it be. In place of that, you write then plus n plus 1 by n, that I have missed. So you will go till 1 by n minus 1. Then have I written the same? Yeah, correct. So it will be 1 by n. After that, then plus 1. Okay. So only that here 1 by n I just missed. Okay. Then here also I should write 1 by n. Okay. Here also I should write 1 by n. Here also I should write 1 by n. Then n minus 1. So here also I should write 1 by n. So here you should write here, but I am not having space, so that's why I am writing here 1 by n. Okay. First, let me know whether it is clear or not. That number 1 by n I just missed there. So that's why I have again went there and I written here. Why? How I understood that I missed 1 by n? Because Hn is saying that, see, Hn is saying that 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, till 1 by 6, till it will go to 1 by n minus 1. plus 1 by n, 1 by n till it will go to 1 by n. But here I was not getting 1 by n, it was still in 1 by n minus. So I understood, yeah, means I did some mistake. Okay, understood now? Is it clear? So in place of that, in place of that only 1 by 2 and 1 is missing, so I can write hn minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so we can write hn minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, because only these two thing is not there in the bracket, so I have written hn minus half, that is going to your 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, that I am having till 1 by n minus 1 till this. Now after that what I am having, plus 1. Understood? Now do, now see, now substitute. So this will become, if you just do the that equation, you just solve the equation, now you will get the answer. So it will be n plus 1 by 2, then n plus 1. Now hn minus going to be 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So it's going to be your, for what you can do. So this way also, see, if you solve this, then again you are getting n plus 1 by 2 plus n plus 1 by hn minus, it's going minus 3 by 2 plus 1. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know. So you are going to get n plus 1 by 2 and hn 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 n plus 1. Then you are going to get minus 3 by 2 n plus 1 plus this you are going to get. This you are going to get minus 3 by 2. So 2 is going to be common. So if you do that, or the simple way, go to your, so take n plus 1 by 2 as common. Take n plus 1 by 2 as common. Okay, then it will be 1 minus, you are going to get n plus 1 by 2 minus 2. There it will be n plus 1 plus 1. That will get cancelled out. That 2 will get cancelled out. So write h n plus 1. We are going to get here minus n plus 1 plus hn plus 1 plus 1. So it will be hn 2n, then hn. So what you can do, minus n minus 1 plus hn plus 1, that you can cancel that. So you are going to get hn, this we are going to get hn n plus 1 minus n. Is it clear? Because you know that it is the harmonic equation. So you are going to get n log n. Sorry, again I did the minus n. Okay, n log n, then plus log n minus n. Then what is going to be the big O of that? So this is the answer you are going to get. Then what is going to be the big O of that? Then what is going to be the big O of that? So it is going to be big of L. But now I think that you can answer that in GATE exam. If they will ask this kind of question, now you can answer that.